wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rahmatiafi Melani, name 152, class 2E, Prodi Management. Here, I will submit our journal on digital demand, resource management practice in a transportation economy, challenge and prospect. Abstract. The purpose of this study is to examine the extent to which organizations in Nigeria use various human resource management practices and the perceived challenge and prospect of the practice. A combination of quantitative and qualitative research method was employed to gather information, especially that were collection from 253 managers in select frame. Descripts data analysis is present with respect to the use and exhortation of firearms practitioners as requirement selection, perform appreciation and training and development. The finding revealed the harm practices and training return compensation perform appraisal and reward system are still in place. However, issue of tribalism, AIDS, training and development, and corruption are some of the challenges identified that need to be addressed. The study was unlimited to 12 companies intensity broader geographic sampling would better reflect the national profile. Another limitation could stem from the procedure used in data collection method, or drop off and pick up. However, extreme measures were taken to protect the identity of the respondent. Introduction. In response to the desponation economic performed in Nigeria in the last 2 decades, the government of President Obasanjo launched a liberation policy to turn the nation economy toward a market-oriented system. The policy includes a comparison prevention program of state-owned enterprise. In his opening address to the National Council on Prevention, the president stated that there was a time when public-owned companies were better than private organizations for stimulation and excellent national economic development, and that thus they are offered. We argued that so have shall to live up to the iron expression, and the something must be done to improve the quality and efficiency of the service. Following is speeds issue and executives order direction the implementation of a prevention program for COS. Review relates to the literature. The conceptual framework for this paper is based on the previous literary and theorems, challenge and prospect in general and particularly in developing countries. The conceptual framework for this paper is based on the previous literary on harm, challenge, and prospect in general and particularly in developing countries. Studies have identified several harm parties, challenge, and prospects faced by HR managers. For example, method of the research. These sections include a description of the research design, population sample data collection, procedure and instrument, validation in order to get the of apparent rank and depth. Mixed method approach using both a quantitative survey and either face-to-face interview has adopted. The mixed method has been used in a prior study of empathics. In addition to collect data through the question survey, a quality data collection technique involving one-on-one interview with select respondents with context. These then are shared in Colofat, the selection of a good subsample of 12 frames for in-depth interview. These frames are part of the original frame selection for this study. The actual number of people interviewed was 30. The 12 frames include 5 plastic frames, 6 frames in the food and beverage industry, 8 from the oil industry, and 5 transportation frames. Finding and discussion. The purpose of the exploratory study has to impact from party, challenge, and prospect fighting organization in Nigeria as the country make the transition from a mixed economy system to a market oriented system. The finding of the study revealed that the following harem parties are in place in an organization: survey, recruitment and selection, training and development, perform appraisal, monitoring, or evaluation of HR party. Compensation and benefit and termination or layoff, additional human resource activities performed by the resport or that department include staff welfare service, union, or labor relations and health and safety issues. Although the challenge vision harms in Nigeria are enormous, we are optimal about the future prospect as the country make the transition to a market-oriented capitalist system. The key to the future of RM is working with lean manager, top management, government action, and all stakeholders to root out corruption, nepotism, and favoritism. To invest in technology, annex in annual training and development, and above all formal ratio and manifold productivity in program that will boost employer morale, confidence, and again the trust of management. Conclusion. The purpose of the paper is actually the attempt to with organization in Nigeri use various CRM parties and the perhaps challenge and prospect of the party. This study provides significant current information on her and knowledge and party in Nigeri. Ratio revealed that her and party, including training, recruitment, competition, perform, appraisal, and reward system are in place. However, issue of tribalism, AIDS, bribery, and corruption, and resistance to change are some of the challenges identified by the response the need to be addressed. For example, insular organization from different industry and different sector of the economy. As a result, we believe that we were able to identify HRM universal best practice as suggestive behavior 1994, it is entirely possible that previous study will should sample that respond part of the economy. Different organization report ratios that are different from or due to the nature of their sample. All sample treated industrial and sectorial analysis, and this provides a truly global picture of the HRM party challenge and prospect in Nigeria. It makes a unique contribution in our opinion to the emerging imperial literature, exploring the common impact of RM party and future prospect in a sub-Saharan African country, a subcontinent that has been under research and neglect by management research. That a few explaining video from me. That I'm sorry if there are wrong word or pronunciation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.